Hello there, KELOLAND. I'm Meteorologist Tony Barlow. Thanks for tuning into this video blog at KELOLAND.com. Had an interesting day of weather today. Some of those real light, fluffy snow showers. Some would call them flurries. We had some peaks of sunshine out there as well. For the most part, it didn't add up to a whole lot, but certainly was a bit of a surprise. Those snow showers didn't even show up on radar, which of course makes them tough to pin down across the area, but either way, it does look like a more quiet week ahead. The weather is going to cooperate for the most part for us as we go through this coming week. Just getting our weather model set up here. I want to zoom it in just a little bit so we can get a closer look at KELOLAND. All right, let's take a look at what we can expect as we go on through this week. And it does look like, for the most part, as I said, quiet conditions. Let's start with going through the next couple of days. High pressure in place, cold temperatures, of course. Now, as we go through Monday into Tuesday, we slowly start to see that high move east, and with it, it'll take the coldest temperatures east as well. Slowly starting to warm up. Where we see these red lines, I can actually highlight that for you. Where we see these red lines, those are temperatures that are going to be a little bit warmer, and those temperatures are going to slowly start to work in those warmer readings. So even though we're going to start very cold this week, it looks like as we go through the week, temperatures steadily warming up a little bit, at least until we get to the end of the week when some cold air builds back in. So we have one little shot of some snow maybe here on Tuesday. For the most part, though, that looks to travel south of our area. Probably spread in a few clouds, but that's about the only concern there. As we continue through the week into Wednesday, here's where we start to see some of those warmer temperatures. Wednesday, Thursday looking pretty nice as far as temps are concerned. All right, here's Wednesday night. This is our one real big concern of the week. We have this little Alberta Clipper system coming down from the northwest, and this is going to try to cruise through parts of KELOLAND. It looks like at this point affecting northern, even central South Dakota as we go through Wednesday night. As we continue ahead then, let's see, I lost my place. As we continue ahead then, we are going to see into Thursday morning, pretty good shot of some snow here, maybe eastern South Dakota. The models have been flip-flopping on the system a lot, so I would not say that this is going to be the exact track of the storm. Here's the low. This is going to continue to work its way down to the south, and as it does so, it'll move through the Twin Cities. It looks like the Twin Cities are going to get another pretty good swath of snow, at least with this model run. Another headache for them, as they've had quite a few pretty good snows so far this winter. Continuing then through the end of the week, that low pressure, that clipper, brings down some cooler air, so we finish the week cold, and then it looks like some of the models hinting at a big cool down for us as we get towards the end of next week. As you can see here, we push these warmer readings way south, and temperatures single-digit highs, it looks like, maybe for the end of the week. So that's what we're going to be looking at forecast-wise. Generally pretty quiet. We start the week cold, especially northeastern South Dakota, western Minnesota, where they have that snow on the ground. So we start the week cold, temperatures steadily warming. One chance of snow there on Wednesday night, Thursday, that we'll kind of keep an eye on. Doesn't look like a big deal at this point, but that's about all we have. There will be a couple of breezy days mixed in there as well, I think, as we warm up and cool down as those weak fronts pass through. So that's the latest from the Storm Center. Thanks for tuning in to this video blog at KELOLAND.com. Have an excellent week.